Okay, the Ferris wheel problem. Um, let's see. You board a Ferris wheel that has a diameter of 300 feet. Here's our Ferris wheel. It's really just a circle. Alright, the diameter is 300, which means the radius is 150. Alright, and ride it 3 times around. When you board the Ferris wheel, you walk upstairs to a boarding platform that is 8 feet off the ground. This is 8 feet. The total time that you are on the wheel, on the wheel, is 21 minutes. Remember, it's 3 trips, so it's 21 minutes divided by 3 for each trip. So that's 7 minutes per spin of the Ferris wheel. The total, I read that. Write the equation and sketch the graph with the appropriate intervals. What I like to do is start with my straw line. All right. I know I start up 8 feet because there's an 8-foot platform here. And then you're going to go up 300 more feet because that's the diameter. That's how high it's going to go. You won't go higher than 8 plus 300, which is 308. Alright, now basically if you go up here, halfway between 8 and 308 is going to be your midline, and my midline is basically your radius of this, which is 150. So 150 plus 8 is 158. 158 is your midline. Let's go ahead and draw the midline. Dotted line. All right. All right. Let's go ahead and sketch the graph. Let's visualize the graph. For this, I'm really gonna start here at 8, right? Then I'm gonna increase in height. You're going around the Ferris wheel. It's going up. It's getting higher, it's getting higher, it's getting higher. It's going up, up to a level of 308 feet, and it goes back down. Right? Let's go ahead and figure out our period. My period is already 7 minutes. That's how long it takes for one complete cycle. Now I just take 7 and divide it by 4. And I need a calculator. Awesome. The power of pause. So 7 divided by 4, found a calculator, is 1.75. Let's go ahead and draw my x-axis here. It's x. So 7 divided by 4 is 1.75. I just keep adding. What's 1.75 plus 1.75? 3.5. And then keep adding. 1.75 plus 3.5, I get 5.25, and then it ends at 7. Let's see if I can change the color here. I haven't done that in a while. Maybe not. Okay, well, let's just stay with blue. You're going to start low. You're going up to here, and I go up to here, and I go back here, and I go back here. So it should look something like this. This is my curve. Something like that. That looks kind of sad here, but it's okay. That's a sketch of your graph. That's nothing else to do there. Next, to write your equation, remember I'm looking for an equation y equals, it's either a sine or cosine function. This starts at the minimum value, so it's going to be negative cosine. Because if it was started at the maximum value, it would be positive cosine. So it's going to be negative, and my amplitude is the difference between here and here. And my amplitude in this case will be 150. So that's why that's 150. cosine. Now I need to find my frequency, and we simply do that by going 2 pi divided by your period, which is 7, and we can just, let's leave it. Let's leave it as 2 pi divided by 7. It's 2 pi over 7x, and your midline is 158. That's plus 158. That's your equation. I think that's all we had to do. Write the equation, sketch the graph. That's it. Hope that helps. Practice.